friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Emma, and today I'll show you how to use pipe cleaners to make cute little pumpkins for the fall. Let's get started. Okay, so we got these pipe cleaners and we're gonna choose two orange ones, and I'm just gonna connect two of them together to make a long pipe cleaner. And then I'm gonna take my marker pen and wrap this around the pen. Make sure you wrap them really tight. So if you have a thicker marker pen, you just need more pipe cleaners. And if you have a thinner marker pen, then you need less. So say if you have a thicker marker pen than this, you probably need 3 pipe cleaners connected to each other and wrap them around. And if you have a thinner marker pen compared to this, then you will probably need fewer. Now after you're done with wrapping them around the marker pen, I'm just gonna gently squeeze them and take it out. Okay. And we're going to do the same with two other pipe cleaners, and we are going to repeat that again with 2 other pipe cleaners. Wrap them nice and tight around the marker pen. There, squeeze and take it out. So we got 2 sets of these, and we're gonna take a green pipe cleaner and we're just gonna insert that through the tunnel. We're going to string them together. Let's wrap it, and then I want you to take, first let's squeeze them together, and now I want you to take one end of the green pipe cleaner and insert it through the opening of the other side, and take it out like halfway through. Right, so you got this, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna pull gently on both sides. So it tightens here. See that little pumpkin shape already? To bring that green pipe cleaner towards the center there, and same for the other one. Okay, and let's twist them together. And now let's take a scissor and cut the extra pipe cleaners that we don't need there. You can bend the line a little bit to make it look more realistic. And that's how to make pumpkins using pipe cleaners. It's very simple and easy and fun. I hope you enjoyed making this with me today. Please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.